I look at it as my main role with regard to the briefs, or with regard to the whole 2A advocacy portion of what NAGA's mission is to advocate for our Second Amendment rights. And one of those ways to advocate is through the court system. The 2A community recognizes that NAGA is growing. We are a growing force, and I guess, more people coming out and expressing their Second Amendment right is something that, is bringing some of the 2A community together. And we have been fortunate to have outside counsel to assist with preparing those briefs. I'm a one-person legal team for NAGA, so I can't do all of it. But my role is primarily in overseeing. I try to keep up with cases that might be going to the Supreme Court, but the outside counsel that I work with, they will keep me informed of certain cases that may be going to the U.S. Supreme Court or to other circuits that they would like us to partner with, and to send an amicus curiae brief. Amicus curiae brief is mainly what they call a friend of the court brief. The court, the U.S. Supreme Court and the federal courts of appeals, once a case has been filed, there's a petitioner and a respondent, or a plaintiff and defendant, whatever they call them. They will file their briefs and they will make certain arguments to the court for or against a particular issue. For instance, we're always having these cases with California or Maryland where they want to ban AR-15 rifles, or they want to limit magazine capacity in guns, handguns, and in rifles to 10 rounds, which is not, that's not something that we want to have to face when we could be trying to defend ourselves against multiple attackers. You want to be able to have sufficient rounds to defend yourself. So those are some of the issues that have come up. So in terms of the briefs, I basically oversee, I consult with the outside counsel to help us write the briefs, and also oversee and review the content to make sure that it adequately represents advocacy on behalf of the African American community. Everyone has their own ways of advocating or explaining to the court the uniqueness of why we're sending this brief in. We want to tell you how we are unique to the firearms community, and I oversee that, the writing, and sometimes do some of the writing myself. Small portions though, but our outside counsel primarily does that, but they work in consultation with me and they keep me informed so that we can actually file these briefs on behalf of NAGA. I think it's unique for a Black woman in this day and time to be, I'll say I don't completely consider myself a 2A lawyer, but I guess technically I've rolled into that role by becoming legal counsel for NAGA. I don't know if there are a lot of other Black women lawyers that are doing Second Amendment. I don't find too many women doing Second Amendment law out there right now.